Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about 3 easy trigger thumb stretches that you can start using to treat your trigger thumb. If you are confused, you don't know exactly what trigger thumb is, or you want to know more about it, go ahead and link back to my previous video. I will put that link in the description tab. Also, there's a really good taping video for trigger thumb, so if you haven't seen that yet, definitely go check that out. Also, I'm going to link that below for you. But this video here today is going to be if you want to learn some stretches that are going to help to treat your trigger thumb. As always, I recommend that you see a doctor, especially if you can, a hand specialist doctor, to make sure that you and your injury are being cared for properly. All right, let's get into it. So the first stretch that I always recommend is called a blocking exercise. I've illustrated the 3 joints of the thumb using Sharpie here. You are going to only be bending that tip joint, that very first joint of the thumb with this stretch. So what you'll do is use your other hand to block the MP joint of the thumb, that second joint in the middle, and you're just bending and straightening the tip of the thumb as much as you can. You're probably not going to feel a huge amount of stretch here, but it is going to help that tendon to glide in the front of the thumb where it's getting stuck or triggering. If that stretch feels a little bit too painful for you, or if you notice that it's causing your thumb to stick, get locked down, trigger, anything like that, try this second variation. So what you'll do is the same exercise, except this time you're using your other hand to actually facilitate the stretch. So let's see if I can get a good view here. So you're gonna have the tip of the thumb be the one bending. You're using your other hand to grab that tip of the thumb and bend it down and back up. Okay, so no bend in the other 2 joints of the thumb. They're both staying totally straight, and you're just bending and straightening as much as you can. Okay, as those 2 exercises start to get easier for you, a third exercise that I like to have people with trigger thumb complete is going to be the whole hand. It's almost like a little pumping exercise. So you're going to be making a fist and then opening everything as wide as you can. And so you'll see that we're really widening that web space of the thumb or stretching into kind of a little bit of an extension. So that's going to help stretch out that tendon, which is triggering or getting stuck in the front here. As that exercise starts to get easier, you can grab a hairband or a rubber band that you have around home, put it around all the fingers, and open and close, just to add a little bit of resistance. You want to make sure that you're starting to get better by that point. You don't want to add any resistance until you notice that your symptoms are starting to decrease. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that those stretches were helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post a comment below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel to get more hand therapy content. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.